As you can see, there has been a major retreat within the PEPE price over the course of the past 24 hours. As a result, we have some crucial PEPE news and price activities to discuss right now. In the video that we are going to look at today, we are going to talk about that. In light of this, one of the most pressing developments in the cryptocurrency market that you need to be aware of, and most importantly, is it possible for PEPE to recover from the current situation we are in? In the video that we are going to do today, we are going to discuss that question. Additionally, I would like to share with you some additional extremely important and crucial information that you need to be aware of for the latter part of this month and the latter part of this year, and we are going to be discussing that. Thomas, Pietro, and Pepe, to answer your question, sure, there is a little bit of panic in the cryptocurrency market today since there is a lot of red. But despite this, no matter what happens, there is always going to be a silver lining. When we talk about the bright side in today's video, what exactly are we talking about? When it comes to the major news, as well as the price of PEPE, what we need to know is where it is likely to go in the future. Please give this video a like, retweet it, and help yourselves to the trade incentives that are listed in the description of this video if you find the updates to be enjoyable. And now, gentlemen, taking that into consideration, let's talk about the news. Right here in the PEPE pricing, you can see that we have been tracking pretty nicely for the past couple of months. This is something that you can see for yourself. Since we were 5 zeros and 1 back in February of 2024, we have made our way all the way into the present day. In this particular situation, the uptrend is still our friend. Nevertheless, within the past 24 hours, we have actually been smacked. This is another example of manipulation in the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. Consequently, this does not have anything to do with PEPE in particular at this moment. Important environmental issues. One possible explanation for this is that the cryptocurrency market is being manipulated. At this same moment, we were seated at approximately 4 zeros and a 2, and it dropped all the way down to approximately 4 zeros, 1 8. Therefore, this is not a catastrophic dump, rather it is merely a minor retracement for the price of PEPE right now. In addition, what has truly taken place is that there has been manipulation taking place in the cryptocurrency market currently. Bubbles in the cryptocurrency market today, as you can see right here. People, over the course of 24 hours, virtually every single cryptocurrency is going to be in the red, with the possible exception of a few that are simply performing exceptionally well than the others. Today, a significant number of cryptocurrencies are experiencing losses in the double digits, and PEPE is experiencing a loss of 8.2%. The topic of discussion now shifts to the current state of Bitcoin. Describe the event to us. Consequently, if we have a look at the price of Bitcoin right now, you will be able to confirm it. Right now, we are dealing with a significant manipulation candle, sell-off in a hurry. What really is going on? In my opinion, there have been several large whales in the cryptocurrency market that have been looking for liquidation positions. My guess is that this is what took place the day before. Moreover, that is what they desire. In other words, what they want to do is track out leverage traders. In light of this, it is imperative that you constantly make sure to employ suitable risk management if you are trading on leverage. On the other hand, if we zoom in on the price of Bitcoin right now, we can see that it only takes place over the course of around 12 hours. This is a great promotion right now. From a price of approximately $1,000, Bitcoin appears to be in a really strong position right now. We have it pushed all the way down to approximately $96,000, and that would have resulted in the liquidation of a large number of people with positions in the cryptocurrency market. And as a result, a significant number of alternative cryptocurrencies have experienced a retracement. Consequently, when Bitcoin makes a significant and rapid move to the negative, it has the potential to have an effect on the entire cryptocurrency market. In the previous 60 minutes, the cryptocurrency market has seen a total of $205 million liquidated, as can be seen right here. To put it simply, that is nothing more than textbook manipulation. Consequently, this is what has transpired with the price of Bitcoin. Because of this, our PEPE gains have been stifled. Having said that, I continue to believe that there is a bullish signal that is just around the corner. Soon we are going to have a conversation about that. On the other hand, before we go, let's take a look at some other significant events that are taking place for PEPE. As a result, we are currently trading at position number 26, with a volume of 1.8 billion and a market worth of 7.9 billion. From my perspective, we continue to appear to be in a pretty strong position at the moment. Really, there is no reason to be concerned. And if we are aware of significant bullish signs that the cryptocurrency market should be on the lookout for, to all of you, please take a look at this. After a drop of $97,000, the Kula Technology forecasts that the price of Bitcoin will reach $200,000. Gentlemen, in spite of the fact that there has been a tiny decrease in the value of Bitcoin, PEPE, what you need to realize is that we are still looking extremely powerful. There are still significant forecasts that are being released, particularly for the following year. Over the course of today, we have seen a few intriguing signals emerge. That is something that we will discuss in the near future. On the other hand, having a long-term perspective might be profitable in the cryptocurrency market. The things that you need to be on the lookout for are those, and a sum of $200,000 in Bitcoin, which, if it were to occur right then and there, would send PEPE off to the moon. And if we take a look at this right now, let's have a listen to what President Trump has to say about this right now, because this can be a significant role in determining the values of cryptocurrencies. Why don't we play this? Working with the Republican majorities in Congress will result in a reduction in taxes, a reduction in regulations, an increase in wages, and an increase in incomes at a rate that has never been seen before in the globe. In that case, if Trump is successful in implementing this plan, it is going to be a significant boost to the cryptocurrency economy. Therefore, Trump is going to arrive in exactly 12 days from now. If he is successful in boosting the economy of the United States, then people will receive more money. There are a lot of folks that could spend that. As an alternative asset that they can hold for a longer period of time, they may invest it in cryptocurrency. In addition, this is something that should really be kept in mind for the impending future. Therefore, it is likely that this stuff will emerge in the first quarter of 2025, which is practically right now. Yet, it must emerge once Trump has truly assumed control. Then again, it must emerge once Trump has truly assumed control. We have not yet experienced that. For that, we are going to have to exercise some patience. Keep an eye out for that then. A further piece of optimistic news for you guys is that the Central Bank of the Czech Republic is contemplating purchasing Bitcoin as a reserve asset. In the years 2025 and 2026, it is possible that we may witness an increasing number of instances. If something like this does occur, it will likely cause Bitcoin to reach new heights, and if that happens, it will also have an effect on our PEPE cryptocurrency, which is just what we want to happen. Therefore, a higher price for Bitcoin is going to be beneficial for PEPE, particularly over the course of the long run right now. So it is something that we would like to see take place. In this case, we are going to look into several particular PEPE aspects. It can be seen that the PEPE army is continuing to recruit further soldiers to join its ranks. Today, there are 989 new PEPE holders. PEPE is holding up well in comparison to the majority of the market, despite the fact that markets are a little bit unstable.